Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research.
I'm Jen Amos, and this is your morning market alert for Friday, March 11th. Stocks on Wall Street are set for more losses at the open, following yesterday's big sell-off. And the equity markets around the world are falling after a magnitude 8.9 earthquake hit Japan overnight. The earthquake is setting off tsunami alerts for Hawaii and the west coast of the United States, as well as 19 other countries. And it's causing a flight to safety among investors. After an initial decline in the Japanese yen, it's rebounding strongly against the dollar and other major currencies.
Following the earthquake in Japan, investors are selling out of some riskier assets, and that includes oil. Light sweet crude is falling for the fourth straight session and is now trading below $100 a barrel. Also weighing on energy prices is a report that OPEC boosted production last month to make up for the disruption in Libyan supply. February output by the organization rose by 110,000 barrels a day to more than 30 million barrels, the highest since December of 2008. OPEC said that despite the loss of Libya's oil and recent high prices, the world has enough supply. But the group is ready to take further action if needed and said that it's able to add nearly 6 million barrels a day to the market.
On the economic front, we'll get a reading of March consumer sentiment from Reuters and the University of Michigan later this morning. Right now, traders are digesting a report on retail sales for February. A couple retailers are among the day's big stock movers. Aeropostale is slumping 6% in the pre-market after it posted a decline in quarterly profit and issued a soft earnings forecast. After the report, RBC Capital downgraded Aeropostale to sector perform, and Breen Murray cut its price target on the stock from $32 to $28 a share. But moving in the opposite direction is Ann Taylor. It topped expectations with a big increase in fiscal fourth quarter profit. The women's apparel chain also said it's changing its corporate name to Ann Inc. Right now, its shares are jumping 7%.
We're also keeping an eye on shares of National Semiconductor this morning. After Thursday's closing bell, it reported quarterly sales that missed estimates despite a rise in net income. National Semi is losing about 1% ahead of the bell. And finally, a couple big players in the railroad industry may move on analyst actions. RBC Capital downgraded CSX to sector perform, sending that stock lower in the pre-market. But it boosted its rating on Norfolk Southern. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the economic data and market reaction.